Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 16 days, Nvidia has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 27.23% since our initial recommendation to buy. This translates to an average daily return of 1.7% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, it is difficult to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. Any pullback in price will now find support at the previous trend high of $608.89, which could provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $683, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is potential for a 29.57% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.93% to 26.30%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 111.24% change over the next year, with a potential return between 78.11% and 112.58%. This implies a price range of $1,112.58 to $1,327.87 after 12 months. Our latest update for Nvidia brings a headline that might interest you: Evaluation of Nvidia stock downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Monday, January 29, 2024, the Nvidia stock price saw a gain of 2.35%. It started the day at $610.31 and closed at $624.65. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $609.08 and a high of $624.89, with a difference of 2.6%. It's worth noting that the price has been on the rise in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing a growth of 14.17% over the past 2 weeks. In terms of trading volume, there was a decrease of 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $20.93 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $628.48, while the lowest price was $189.50. Currently, the price is 0.61% or $3.83 below the 52-week high of $628.48, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy rating and recommended holding the stock. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold the stock. On Monday, December 11, 2023, it was reported that Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy rating and advised holding the stock. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, it was reported that BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy rating and suggested holding the stock. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, it was reported that Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight rating with a recommendation to hold the stock. Analysts have unanimously given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book as well. Furthermore, the analysts have granted the stock a strong buy rating for return on investment. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock is showing positive forecast as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections, the stock will find support from the lines at $607.85 and $524.06. It's important to note that if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 37.28%. Based on this, further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it is worth mentioning that the volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals that you might find helpful in your investment journey. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we can see a buy signal 17 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 57 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals there. The short moving average gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 49 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Let's talk about the support levels for Nvidia's stock. Currently, there is strong support just below today's level at $531.40 and $495.22, based on accumulated volume. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support level at $531.40 is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $495.22 and $487.16. It's important to note that Nvidia stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. The stock has the potential to experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval, further emphasizing the high-risk nature of this stock. Over the last day, the stock had a price range of $15.81, which represents a 2.6% fluctuation between the high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.96%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential good trading levels for Nvidia. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's essential to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there are no significant resistance levels from accumulated volume above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If this happens, it might be a good opportunity to enter a position and use volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the flip side, if the stock encounters any downward pressure, it will find its first support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Nvidia is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. In the most recent insider trades, Stephens Mark A bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a negative insider power with a ratio of -34.147. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $608.03, which is a decrease of 2.66%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which translates to higher risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 92, further increasing the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 35 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While there are several positive signals for Nvidia, we don't believe they are sufficient to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. On Tuesday, January 30th, we anticipate Nvidia to open down by $5.11 and start trading at $619.54. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions about buying or selling securities, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so make sure to share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.